Hello YouTube, and welcome to a quick unboxing of Cosmix Fireworks Apollo Fireworks Selection Box. This is a small box containing 180 grams of NEC, about £9.99 in Trago in 2024. We'll have a quick look inside, see what it's got. Like I said, a smaller box, so a smaller assortment of fireworks. We have a couple of shot tubes, Starburst shot tubes, 9 grams of NEC, probably about 20mm bore. We have 2 of them. Look the same, probably identical. We've also got 2 Fire Cherries Roman candles, 4 grams of powder in each of them. Star Nova, Nova Star, 4 grams of powder. They're probably 15mm. So you got 1, 2, 3 of those shot tubes. So look. Little fountain, Delta Force. .5 grams of powder. Ooh, 2 of those. A little asteroids. 9 grams of powder. There's 2 of them. This box, if you notice, does contain a lot of duplicates. We've got 2 of these colourful springs. They contain 10 grams. A crackling dragon, 10 grams. Autumn blossom, 18 grams. I was going to say it did feel a bit heavier than the 10 gram ones. Flowering buds, 12 grams. Crackling flower, 18 grams. And a double joy, 23 grams, which obviously is the biggest fountain of a lot. So all in all, a small selection box there. No rockets, obviously, because it's small, but no caffeine wheel either. But it does contain fountains, shot tubes, and Roman candles. So good little selection. Probably ideal for the very small gardens. Like I said, a lot of duplicates, so it could be fired together. The NEC count's not very high, so obviously they're not going to last very long, or probably the effects are not going to be as punchy and dramatic as other selection boxes out there. But for a tenner, seems okay. Thanks for watching. See you soon.